In the world of crime solving, cell phones have become indispensable tools for investigators. These devices, often in our pockets, carry a wealth of information that can paint a detailed picture of our daily lives. Forensic experts often describe them as crime scenes in a pocket. This metaphor highlights the crucial role they play in contemporary criminal investigations. As technology evolves, law enforcement agencies increasingly rely on digital evidence to build cases and secure convictions. The use of cell phone data in criminal investigations has grown exponentially over the past decade. Law enforcement officers can use this data to establish timelines, verify alibis, and even track suspects' movements. Cell phone data offers a level of precision and reliability that traditional evidence sometimes lacks. This is because digital footprints are difficult to alter or erase completely. In many cases, they provide the most compelling evidence in courtrooms. The potential of cell phone data extends beyond just location tracking. It can reveal a person's intentions, state of mind, and interactions with others. This depth of insight is invaluable when piecing together the events leading up to a crime. As a result, cell phones have become a vital part of the investigative toolkit, often determining the outcome of high-profile cases. Cell phones collect a vast array of data, often without users realizing it. Location data from GPS and towers can track movements, while browsing history and search queries reveal personal interests or intentions. Call logs, message timestamps, and app activity help investigators establish connections and motives. Together, this digital footprint forms a powerful tool for solving crimes. The Idaho murders shocked the nation, with 4 university students tragically killed. Brian Koberger was linked to the crime scene through meticulous cell phone data analysis. His phone repeatedly pinged towers near the victim's home, often late at night, suggesting premeditation. Investigators also found gaps in his phone activity during the murders, raising further suspicion. This case shows how digital breadcrumbs can transform investigations, providing crucial evidence. Brian Koberger's case exemplifies how cell phone data can be used to track a suspect's movements with precision. Investigators leveraged this technology to piece together his activities leading up to the Idaho murders. By analyzing data from cell phone towers, they could establish a pattern of behavior that was both incriminating and illuminating. Koberger's phone records showed repeated pings near the victim's home, suggesting he was familiar with the area. These pings were not random. They formed a consistent pattern that matched the timeline of the murders. This evidence was crucial in demonstrating that he had ample opportunity to commit the crime, weakening any alibi he might have presented. The data also revealed critical gaps in Koberger's phone activity, particularly during the night of the murders. These gaps suggested attempts to evade detection by turning off his phone or using a different device. Such behavior added to the suspicion surrounding him, providing indirect evidence of his involvement. In court, the cell phone data was a pivotal part of the prosecution's case. It provided a narrative that was difficult to refute, compelling the jury to consider the digital trail he left behind. This case illustrates the profound impact of cell phone data in securing convictions, highlighting its role as an indispensable tool in modern law enforcement. The case of Brian Walshy, really demonstrates how cell phone data can reveal a suspect's intentions and state of mind. Walshy was convicted of murdering his wife, Anna, and honestly, the digital evidence against him was damning. Investigators uncovered a series of incriminating searches on his phone, painting a clear picture of premeditated intent. Walshy's search history included queries about disposing of body parts and cleaning DNA off a knife. These searches were made shortly before his wife's disappearance, providing a chilling insight into his mindset. The specificity and timing of these searches were crucial in establishing intent, suggesting that the murder was planned rather than impulsive. Further examination of Walshy's digital activity revealed searches related to inheritance laws and missing persons. Such searches indicated a possible financial motive, as he stood to gain from his wife's life insurance policy. This added another layer to the prosecution's case, aligning with the theory of premeditation. In court, the digital evidence was a focal point, with experts testifying about the implications of Walshy's searches. His defense struggled to counter the narrative presented by this data, ultimately leading to his conviction. The case highlights how cell phone data can provide a window into a suspect's thoughts, offering irrefutable evidence of intent and motive. Karen Reed's trial revolved around the mysterious death of her boyfriend, Officer John O'Keefe. She was accused of hitting him with her SUV, but cell phone data played a pivotal role in her acquittal. The case highlights how digital evidence can sometimes be misleading, impacting the outcome of legal proceedings. During the trial, a witness testified about a suspicious search conducted on a cell phone. This search, "How long to die in cold," was allegedly made at Reed's instruction. However, another witness contradicted this claim, stating they never heard Reed make such a request. The reliability of digital evidence was called into question, illustrating its potential to mislead. The defense argued that the search was not directly linked to Reed, suggesting it might have been a misunderstanding or a deliberate attempt to implicate her. The presence of conflicting testimonies and ambiguous data created reasonable doubt, ultimately leading to her acquittal. This case underscores the complexity of digital evidence in legal contexts. While cell phone data can be a powerful tool for solving crimes, it also requires careful interpretation. Misinterpretations or assumptions can lead to wrongful accusations, highlighting the need for rigorous analysis and corroboration in court. Digital evidence has transformed the landscape of legal proceedings, playing a decisive role in many court outcomes. The cases of Koberger, Walshy, and Reed illustrate how cell phone data can either secure convictions or lead to acquittals. This shift reflects the growing importance of technology in the justice system, where digital footprints can outweigh traditional evidence. In the case of Koberger, cell phone data provided a clear timeline of his movements, leading to his conviction. Similarly, Walshy's incriminating searches offered irrefutable proof of his intentions, sealing his fate. However, the Reed case demonstrated the potential pitfalls of digital evidence, where misinterpretations can result in wrongful accusations. The impact of digital evidence extends beyond individual cases, influencing broader legal practices. Courts increasingly rely on digital forensics experts to interpret complex data, ensuring accuracy and reliability. This reliance underscores the need for continued advancements in technology and training within the legal field. As digital evidence becomes more prevalent, it raises questions about privacy, consent, and the ethical use of technology. These issues must be addressed to maintain public trust in the justice system and ensure that digital evidence serves the cause of justice fairly and equitably. The use of cell phone data in criminal investigations raises significant privacy concerns. While this data can be crucial for solving crimes, it also involves accessing personal information that individuals may not wish to disclose. This tension between privacy and justice is a central issue in the digital age. Cell phones collect vast amounts of data, often without explicit user consent. This data can reveal sensitive information about a person's location, communications, and online activities. The potential for misuse of this data is a legitimate concern, as it could lead to unwarranted surveillance or breaches of privacy. Balancing the need for effective law enforcement with the protection of individual rights is a complex challenge. Legal frameworks must evolve to address these concerns, ensuring that digital evidence is collected and used responsibly. Transparency and accountability are essential in maintaining public trust and safeguarding privacy. Ultimately, the goal is to create a legal environment where digital evidence enhances justice without compromising individual freedoms. This requires ongoing dialogue between technology experts, legal professionals, and policymakers to navigate the ethical challenges posed by the digital era. Cell phone data has become a powerful tool in the quest for justice, reshaping how crimes are investigated and prosecuted. The stories of Koberger, Walshy, and Reed demonstrate both the potential and the pitfalls of digital evidence. As technology continues to evolve, so too does its impact on the legal system. For the average person, understanding the extent of data collected by cell phones is crucial. Awareness of how this data can be used in criminal investigations highlights the dual nature of technology. It is both an asset and a responsibility. Users must be mindful of their digital footprints and the implications they carry. As society navigates the complexities of the digital age, the balance between privacy and justice remains a pressing concern. Ensuring that digital evidence is used ethically and effectively is paramount to maintaining the integrity of the justice system. By fostering informed discussions and implementing robust legal safeguards, we can harness the power of data for the greater good, In conclusion, cell phones have transformed from mere communication devices into critical tools for law enforcement. Their role in solving crimes underscores the importance of responsible data management and ethical considerations in the pursuit of justice.